Okay, double Pythagoras question. It's when you've got two triangles together. So remember in Pythagoras, you've got hypotenuse squared is equal to your two shorter sides, which is A and B. So have a look at the first one. And whenever you see GCSE questions like this, the joining side, so the one that links both triangles together, is going to be something we're going to have to use or find. And that is always the starting point. So if we have a look at the side, that's this middle line here, that joins this triangle and this triangle together. Is this one that I've just highlighted in red, okay? Now this side is opposite the right angle, and it's also opposite that right angle. So this one is my hypotenuse, okay? So I'm going to think first of all how I can find this side. So if you have a look at this triangle up here, the one where we've got 9 and 8, and I'm trying to find that one, okay? That's my missing side. So I would do 9 squared plus 8 squared and add both answers together, okay? And that's going to give me my hypotenuse, my middle joining side. So on your calculator, 9 squared plus 8 squared, okay, is 145. And then don't forget we need to square root that answer at the end. So remember in Pythagoras. Now I'm going to round this to the nearest whole number, okay? So that's going to give me 12, and that's to the nearest whole, okay? Then we're going to think how I can then use it. So I would redraw that triangle down there. So I've got 12 here, 10 here, and that's my right angle. And this is the one now I want to find. So this is on my shorter side. 12 is my hypotenuse. So what I need to do in order to find x is 12 squared, take away 10 squared, and finding the difference between those two things, okay? Can use a calculator, but 12 squared is 144, 10 squared is 100. Taking them away from each other leaves you with 44. And don't forget, right at the end, you must square root your answer at the end. And on your calculator, it will give you a decimal answer. Press S and D or search and destroy. And it gives you either 6.6. Now I'm going to round that to the nearest whole like we've done at the top. So that's going to give me 7, so it's 7 centimetres. So you're always using the side of the triangle that links them both together. Try and find that first. And then redraw your triangle using that measurement to find your missing length.